burned, it's at least on fire. Would you agree?
I'm not sure about that, but I don't blame you for thinking that way because I'm starting to suspect that myself, Skip, from this perspective. Initially, I don't have a problem with D'Antoni doing it because in the kind of basketball he likes to play, when you're jacking up shots at every turn. For example, if the Lakers were to somehow catch fire, you still believe you can come back from that.